Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you how to change distance measuring units from kilometers to miles or vice versa. This video should apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Okay, now to make the change you will be using the buttons on a turn signal light switch. So you'll have the menu button right here, then you'll have this up and down button, and OK button or a set button will be right here on the side of the switch. Okay, to start you want to press the menu button once and that should get you to vehicle information menu. And now you will scroll through the menu options by turning this knob here up or down. You want to go down until you reach the unit. Right now it's set to metric and that's the kilometers. And what you will do, you will press this button on the side once. And that will get you into the unit menu. Now again you want to scroll through the options here. And to select the miles, you will select US. And that should be it. Now to go back to the other menu, you will press menu again to get to trip and fuel information menu. And now as you can see, the speed is in miles per hour and the total distance is also in the miles. So you can see all the settings changed. Even the fuel consumption will be in miles per gallon, not liters per 100 kilometers. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.